Is this the fastest way to wash your motorbike in Vietnam? Vietnam never stops. From sunrise to sunset, millions of motorbikes zip through the street. And when the traffic slows down, the dust settles on your bike. You know the feeling your bike is dirty again. But who has time to go to the wash shop or do it yourself in this heat? Say hello to the future of motorbike cleaning. This is the Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machines. And yes, it just cleaned that bike in under 5 minutes. Traditional washing takes 15 to 30 minutes, maybe more. But this machine is fast, consistent, and doesn't complain about Vietnam heat. If you are a rider, this saves your time. But if you are a business owner, this could make you money. Each wash costs less in electricity, water, and chemical. But you can charge 3 to 4 times per wash, depending on your area. This real income every day. And no need to hire 3 or 4 workers to wash motorbike under the sun. It's too hot. Go&Go was engineered in Vietnam. Whether it's rainy season or dry dust, the machines keeps your bike looking fresh. All you need is a small space, electricity and water. Place it near a market, parking lot, or even combine it with a café or helmet cleaning service. Want to see it before you decide? You can visit our production center, test the machines, and talk to the real user. It starts to delivery just 35 to 45 days after ordering. Is this the fastest way to wash your motorbike in Vietnam? Yes, we think so. But don't take our word for it. Come and see it in actions. Contact Go&Go today to schedule a live demo or get a quote for your locations. Go&Go automatic motorbike wash. Clean bike, smart business.